Just today, I received a notification from AWS Community Builders program that they graciously have accepted my applications again for this year's Community Builder. So very grateful to AWS and really looking forward to be part of this great community program again from AWS. In this video, I just wanted to share my thoughts on Community Builders program and some tips as how you can join it if you want to. Well, before that, just a quick introduction to Community Builders Program. As you can see on my screen, this is a website for AWS Community Builder Program where you can apply for this program. And the advantage of this Community Builder Program is that once you join it, it not only recognizes your efforts in the AWS community, whether you share any video on your channel or you post any blog post or share any code on Stack Overflow or post in Reddit or other social media platforms. And the other benefit of this community builder program is that AWS gives you ample opportunities for training and self-learning, including extra credit for your AWS account, personal AWS account, of course, and then some Cloud Academy subscriptions, some free vouchers for your AWS um, examinations. Apart from that, this community builder program also gives you a very cool swag every year. And I think, if I remember correctly, I received a pouch and keychain and few other goodies last year from AWS, and year before, I think I received a hoodie and t-shirt, which was pretty cool. So all in all, I really am looking forward to be part of this great program again. And uh, now coming to the question of how you can join it, well, you can apply it twice a year because AWS only opens up the subscription and registration for this program twice a year. So you need to apply then. And you can subscribe to this page, and I will put the link to it in the video description, and you'll get the notification when the registrations are open. But the criteria is a bit tough to join this program because there is no set criteria, but still you need to have a pretty active social media presence, and you need to prove to AWS that you are sharing your knowledge in terms of AWS on your social media platform, which could be your YouTube channel or your blog or your Stack Overflow account, Reddit account, or any other social media platform where you have some following and you are sharing your knowledge regarding AWS routinely. So once you do that, you should be good to go. There is no fee to join it, so it's all free. So if you, because I have seen some people offering to get you join to this program for a small fee on LinkedIn. If you see that that's a scam, don't fall for it. There is You don't have to pay to anyone to join this program. Other than that, it's pretty cool. If you're really looking to contribute to the community, then I believe this is a great avenue to join. So again, I will put the link to this website in the video's description. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.